Good morning, students. We are doing chapter number 5. We had done part 1 up to science of medical and surgery. Now we'll continue further with mathematics, Vastu Shastra, astronomy, and astrology of Indian heritage of science and technology. Mathematics. Now, a very difficult subject for all of us. Now, mathematics. Each epoch making mathematical discoveries were considered to be made in India through which contemporary global affairs are carried out. The gift of India to the world are discovery of zero, decimal system, algebra, theorem of Bodian, geometry, and arithmetic. See now, it is said over here that India has done a very great discoveries in mathematics. And for me, the greatest discovery is discovery of zero. Okay? Think if zero was not discovered, or if someone had not an idea of putting 1 0 behind a number, then कितने आगे नंबर जाते ही गए होते हैं. ओके 10 का 100 हो जाता है, एक ज़ीरो लगाने से वैल्यू बढ़ जाती है. फाइन. सो it's really a great discovery. Whomsoever has done this, it's really a great discovery. So, Aryabhatta discovered zero. The process of writing zero after figure was discovered by the sage named Grut Samat. Okay, underline this word in your textbook. The ancient Indian mathematicians have decided the names of the number made by placing 53 zeros after 1. See now, this is matlab the ancient Indian mathematicians have decided the names of numbers made by placing 53 zeros तक लिख सके, इतने सारे नंबर्स उन लोगों ने बनाए हुए थे. मतलब इट इज़ जस्ट अनइमेजिनेबल थिंग. 53 ज़ीरो पीछे एक नंबर के लग जाए, उतने नंबर उन्होंने बनाए थे. डेसिमल सिस्टम हैड बीन सीन फॉर मेजरिंग एंड बीइंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच हैड बीन फाउंड इन रिमेन्स ऑफ हड़प्पा एंड मोहनजोदारो. के हड़प्पा एंड मोहनजोदारो के रिमेन्स में डेसिमल सिस्टम के नंबर पाए गए हैं. Bhaskaracharya had written book Leelavati Ganit and Bij Ganit in 1150. Okay, Leelavati Ganit, I was seeing the photos like cubes से जो मैथ सॉल्व होता है. Okay, ये बुक उन्होंने लिखी थी. And he discovered the sign of addition, subtraction. Brahmagupta introduced the types of equations. Bodhian discovered theorems, that is triangle policy. Apastamba had decided the measurement of sacrificial pits, that is Yagna Vedis, used for Vedic Yagnas in Shulva Sustra in 1800 BC, matlab before Christ. Okay, it also considered analysis of principle. Aryabhatta had mentioned the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7, 3.14 in the book Aryabhattiyam. He also propounded that pi is constant to show the ratio of circumference and diameter of circle. You all know where we use pi value. Okay, ज्योमेट्री में हम पाई वैल्यू को यूज़ करते हैं. व्हाट इज सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल? द आउटर बॉर्डर, while the diameter is the line from one point to another point of circle. So these all discoveries were made by Indians because these are there in the books. But I was just seeing on net वैल्यू ऑफ पाई, उसमें आर्यभट्ट का नाम नहीं था. बट आर्यभट्टीय में अगर पाई की वैल्यू दी गई है, सो ऑब्वियसली ही वॉज द पर्सन हु हैज़ डिस्कवर्ड वैल्यू ऑफ पाई द फर्स्ट. So these all things are there in ancient Indian books. Multiplication, addition, subtraction, square root and cube root, etc. Ashtanga method introduced by Aryabhatta in his work. Hence, Aryabhatta is known as father of mathematics. Okay, Nagarjuna was known as father of chemistry. Then father of medicine is known as Maharshi Charak, and father of mathematics is known as Aryabhatta. Moreover, he had written many books like Dashgitika and Aryabhattiyam. He had described main principle of astronomy in short in his book named Arya Siddhanta. Okay, he found the solution of fundamentals of mathematics, that is arithmetic and geometry. हमें तो सिर्फ बैठा बैठा चीज़ें लर्न करनी है. Then too we are not able to, and these scholars have developed the system. Okay. Apart from this, various aspects of mathematics had been discussed by many scholars in their books. Among them, the scholar of Bodhian, Apastambha, Katyanan, then Bhaskaracharya and Brahmagupta are included. These are the scholars of mathematics who have mentioned different things of mathematics in their books. So, see now, these are the many books written by various authors. So, Prajanan Shastra written by Brahmabharya Panchal, then Chikitsa Sangraha written by Chandra Panidatta, then Kamasutra written by Vatsayanan, then Vriksha Ayurveda written by Maharshi Parashar, Yoga Shastra Maharshi Patanjali, Yantra Sarvasva Maharshi Bharadwaj, and Kal Ganana by Sukhmuni. So these are the books. Learn the name of the books and the author. Okay. Astronomy and astrology. Astronomy is the most ancient science. Many works related to astronomy had been written in India. Okay. An organized and deep study of astrology was made by Indians ancient universities. See, though we say that Einstein ने find out किया था that Earth, no, it was discovered by Einstein, or Earth revolves around the Sun. Okay, but the thing is that कि अगर हम हमारे पुराने वैदिक चीज़ें देखें, इवन हम आज भी देखते हैं कि ये ग्रह की ऐसी असर होती है, दिस ग्रह हैज़ दिस इफेक्ट ऑन दिस, वी कैन से दिस साइन, हमारी जो राशि होती है उस पर. ओके, सो दिस आर द वेरी ओल्ड थिंग्स, वेरी वेरी ओल्ड थिंग्स. और उनको उनको पता था कि ऐसे कुंडली बनती है, यहाँ पे इतने ग्रह है, यहाँ पे इतनी ये मून है, यहाँ पे ये है. सो फ्रॉम वेयर डू दे हैड फाउंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. Okay, so they were knowing about every planet in the solar system and its effect. So the knowledge of these people is much more older than the new scientific research. Predictions were made on the basis of planetary movement. See what I said. Predictions were made on the basis of planetary movement. Aryabhatta had a remarkable contribution in the field of astronomy. So the first Indian satellite was named Aryabhatta on his name. He declared that Earth rotates on its own axis and he proved, see now, he declared that, उन्होंने बहुत पहले, मतलब हम ऐसा बोलते हैं कि Earth revolves around the sun is discovered by Einstein. But the thing is that this thing is much older, much older. और इन्होंने अपने बुक में ये पहले से कहा था कि अर्थ अपने ही धरा पे घूमता है और वो सन के आजू बाजू घूमता है, सन अर्थ के आजू बाजू घूमता है नहीं. That the basic reason for the lunar eclipse is the shadow of Earth, which was addressed as Ajarbhar by the scholars. In the same manner, Brahmagupta popularized the law of gravitation in his book Brahma Siddhanta. Okay, Varamihir was a great astrologer and astronomer who divided astrology into 3 sections, that is Tantra, Hora, and Samhita. His Gantra named Brahad Samhita gives information regarding effect of planets on man's future, जिसकी हम कुंडली और हॉरोस्कोप की बात करते. दैट his characteristic, various classes of animals, the time of marriage, ponds, wells, gardens, good omen for sowing. We should feel pride that our ancestors were expert in various science. Yes, seriously we should feel pride that हमारे ancestors के पास इतनी ज़्यादा knowledge थी. एंड उन्होंने तब किया होगा तो ऑफकोर्स उसका कुछ मीनिंग तो होता ही होगा. ओके, बर्थ के टाइम पे कौन सा नक्षत्र है, कौन सी राशि है, कहाँ पे कौन सा प्लैनेट कौन से घर में है, मतलब व्हेन वी प्रिपेयर अ कुंडली, दे वर नोइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स. सो इट्स रियली अ थिंग ऑफ ग्रेट प्राइड फॉर अस. वास्तुशास्त्र वी ऑल नो दैट द पोजीशन ऑफ एनी थिंग. ओके, हम अगर घर भी बनाते तो वास्तु करवाते, द पूजा ऑफ अ प्लेस एंड द पोजीशन. Now, there is an immense contribution of ancient India in the field of Vastu-Shastra. It is an inseparable part of astrology. Vastu-Shastra of India is being recognized, dignified and praised by many countries of the world. Brahma, Narad, Bruhaspati, Bhrigu, Vashishta, Vishwakarma have made unique contributions in the field of Vastu-Shastra. They have propagated the principle of construction of dwelling, temple, palace, ashwashala, forts, storehouse of ammunition, and the town planning. The description of Vastu is mentioned in Brihad Samhita, and Rana Kumbha of Mewar reviewed this science. सी नाउ दिस बृहद संहिता, यहाँ पे नाम है इसलिए बोल देती हूँ. एक्चुअली जो चरक संहिता है वो बृहद संहिता वॉज अ बुक, उसमें से चरक संहिता मतलब महर्षि चरक ने सब डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन दी थी. ओके, सो चरक संहिता फेमस, बहुत ही फेमस बुक है. उन्होंने एक्चुअली बृहद संहिता में से सब इन्फॉर्मेशन, यू कैन नॉट से कॉपी, बट वॉट एवर वॉज रिटन इन दैट, उन्होंने इसकी डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन सब डिटेल प्रोसेस दिया था. ओके, so Ranakumbha of Mewar reviewed this science in 15th century. According to traditional belief, Vishwakarma was the first architect of God. उसका नाम विश्वकर्मा. ओके, विश्व जिसने बनाया, फर्स्ट आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ गॉड. ही डिवाइडेड वास्तुशास्त्र into 8 sections. Various information of वास्तुशास्त्र like selection of place, shape, structure, proper planning of thing, temples, Brahmasthan, dining room, bedroom, etc. are mentioned. As the time passes by, changes are taking place regarding the principle and understanding of Vastu Shastra. Now it is being adopted by the foreigners. Foreigners भी अब इसको follow करते हैं. But see, one thing which I personally believe that India is such a populous country, and यहाँ पे कई लोगों को घर मिलना भी मुश्किल है. और अगर घर मिलता है तो अगर हम वास्तुशास्त्र के हिसाब से देखें कि ये पोजीशन ठीक नहीं, तो इंसान अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता है ना सब कुछ चीज़ें, तो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. सो उनके लिए पॉसिबल है, वो ये सभी चीज़ें ध्यान में रखते हैं. जिनके लिए नहीं है उनके लिए तो रहना ही काफ़ी है. एंशिएंट इंडियन नॉलेज ऑफ साइंस हैज़ बीन एक्सेप्टेड बाय वर्ल्ड. इंडियन कल्चर इज़ वेरी वास्ट एंड हेट्रोजीनियस, मतलब मिक्स. इट इज़ ब्लेंडिंग ऑफ साइंस एंड रिलीजन, traditional idols and practical knowledge which is rarely seen in the countries of the world. Tolerance and equality towards all religion is seen in our culture. In spite of having diversity in religion, lifestyle and values, we see unity in our country. Yes, we do see unity in our country. We should not forget that India culture reflects unique feature of unity in diversity. Yes, we are a country of unity and diversity with various language and culture. We all know that. We have studied this lots of times in social. So this chapter is finished over. This is a easy, very easy chapter. You have to learn the whole, मतलब a question might be asked from metallurgy or science and medicine or chemistry. You just have to keep the information deep in mind. Okay. So we'll do MCQs right now. Okay, which sculpture has international significance from viewpoint of from art point of view? It is Nataraj. Just a minute, I'll take a pointer. Yes, so it is Nataraj. Second, which is not correct statement from the following? Nagarjuna is considered as Acharya of chemistry, which is not correct. Okay, so that is correct. Then the use of mercury ash as a medicine has been initiated by Nagarjuna. That is also correct. Science is not a science of experiment. So this is a wrong statement. Description of metallic acid is seen in the work of chemistry. Yes, it is seen. Next comes Maharishi Charak Samhita and Maharishi Sushruta. उन्होंने कौन सी लिखी थी? He wrote Sushruta Samhita. Then comes in the class of a school, various students discuss about mathematics. Which one is true among them? What Shreya said, Bhaskaracharya had written book named Lilavati Ganit and Bij Ganit. So we have to find out which one is true. Okay, so that is not true. Bodhayan discovered decimal system. Then Aryabhatta is acknowledged as father of mathematics. Then Harda said that India discovered 0. So the answer is yes, India discovered 0. That is also right. Then Aryabhatta is known as father of mathematics. That is also right. And Bhaskaracharya, just a second, let me see. Bhaskaracharya had written a book Lilavati and Bij Ganit. That is also right. So decimal system किसने डिस्कवर किया था? वो भी आर्यभट्ट ने. Sage name Guh. So the one is wrong. So last right answer is D. Okay, these all things are right. And if you have to find out the odd one out, मतलब false, then second is right. Book written by ब्रह्मदेव पंचाल, इस कौन सी लिखी थी? प्रजनन शस्त्र। ओके। बी, इन एंशियंट इंडिया हु रोट ब्रह्म सिद्धांत विच डिक्लेयर्स द लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन। ब्रह्म सिद्धांत किसने लिखा था? लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन ब्रह्मगुप्त ने। ओके, ब्रह्मगुप्त रोट, जस्ट अ मिनट देन टू आई विल चेक इट। Brahmagupta, yes, Brahmagupta wrote Brahma Siddhanta, which science from the following suggests that the principle of direction while constructing temples, places, Ashwashala, forts, etc. वो कौन सा कहता है? वास्तुशास्त्र। ओके, so this chapter is finished over here. It's a small chapter and easy to remember. Learn it properly. Thank you.